This is luxury for us mamas. Diaper disposal. Diaper changing station. Sink for hand washing. Hot water for making milk. Nursing, breastfeeding food.
Ganyan, ibig sabihin, item pag ganyan. Pinagkakabit niya lahat yung system. Meron din isa ditong trash bin. Meron din changing diaper. Let's go! Kailangan mo ng mainit na tubig.